Bullish Illuvium cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $179.46 and $390.83 by 2030. Market examiners accept ILV could reach $179.46 by 2025. Bearish Illuvium market cost expectation for 2022 is $31.90. Illuvium presentation. We will direct you through the present moment and long-haul cost expectations for Illuvium in this piece. From how ILV varies from other digital currencies in addressing most of the local blockchain difficulties to the Illuvium cost figure for the accompanying 10 years up to the present, we will cover everything in this video. What is Illuvium? Illuvium is one of the most up-to-date crypto games to raise a ruckus around town. Yet financial backers are energized by its true capacity. Clients get the amazing chance to investigate the science fiction planet Illuvium during the play to acquire insight, where they might take part in battle with and accumulate NFT creatures. As they investigate various nations and battle down beasts known as Illuvials, players expect the job of a tracker. Clients might bring in cash in various ways, for example, through beating rivals in fights and winning competition prizes. Illuvium's ongoing interaction highlights are very like those of Axie Limitlessness, a well-known cryptographic money game where players additionally obtain unmistakable NFT creatures. Illuvium stands separated, however, due to its longing to make an AAA title or a top-of-the-line, superior quality game. To help it achieve this, there are basically two parts. Players might investigate and draw in with a shocking 3D climate in Illuvium's open-world mode. As per the white paper, for certain players, the allure of the game will venture to every part of the globe and social affair Illuvial. This might be very productive, particularly in the event that a player is effective in catching areas of strength for something extraordinary. ILV, the Illuvium coin image, is the cerebrums of the Illuvium crypto game. Players are compensated with this Illuvium digital currency to continue to play and are urged to do as such. The Symbolics Administration highlights, which let proprietors to take part in the game's advancement through the DAO, are another element empowering financial backers to hold their venture. Illuvium is likewise venturing into the DeFi world. ILV marked by financial backers can yield ranch benefits before they might be eliminated. However, these are locked for a year. Also, holders will actually want to pull out SILV advanced coins in their place rapidly. These are utilized in the game and might be utilized to purchase things. It is urgent to comprehend that on the grounds that SILV isn't recorded on a blockchain and can't be removed, it's anything but a digital currency. Illuvium specialized investigation. In view of verifiable information, there is a nonpartisan standpoint at Illuvium costs in the short run. Our specialized markers anticipate that Illuvium's 200-day SMA will decrease for the time being. The transient 50-day SMA for Illuvium cost is additionally expected to be negative. Famous energy oscillator. The general strength record may decide if a digital money is overbought or oversold. The ILV market is in a nonpartisan situation for the present moment. The Illuvium current cost. Illuvium is at present worth $39.88 USD. ILV has moved 1.92% as of now with an exchanging volume of $4,642,678. Illuvium is at present position 273 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $66,892,875 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Illuvium to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Illuvium Value Expectation 2022. Illuvium, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The ILV cost estimate for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $59.82. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $55.83 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. ILV is supposed to have a base worth of $47.86. Illuvium Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Illuvium ILV cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ILV will before long outperform $99.70. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the ILV's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ILV will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $79.76 and a typical exchanging cost of $87.74. Illuvium Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $139.58 and ILV might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ILV is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $127.62 and a low of $119.64 in 2024. Illuvium Value Forecast 2025. In the event that Illuvium effectively supports market feeling among digital money lovers, the ILV coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ILV will be green in 2025. The ILV is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $179.46, with a base cost of $159.52 and a typical cost of $167.50. Illuvium Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the ILV cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $207.38 by 2026, with a base cost of $199.40 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ILV has a most extreme value worth of $219.34. Illuvium Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $247.26. In the event that ILV figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $259.22. Neglecting to assemble the help ILV needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $239.28. Illuvium Value Expectation 2028. While ILV is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $279.16 and a yearly cost close above $299.11 in 2028. Illuvium Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Illuvium will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $319.05 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $338.99, averaging out at $327.02. Illuvium Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest ILV cost in 2030 is projected to be $390.83 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $374.88. And, as the economic situations can change whenever and nobody can take care of the cost gauge, let us caution you that only 1 out of every odd value forecast will be right. Accordingly, Illuvium Value Expectation has been examined above, and great many individuals have looked for it to find out about the hot digital currency